Hey everyone, when working with multiple people in Asana, keeping your teams organized is essential for smooth collaboration. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage teams in Asana, including creating teams, adding members, adjusting settings, and organizing your workspace. So yeah, let's get started. First, open Asana and sign in to your account. Once you're inside your workspace, you'll see your existing teams and projects. Teams help you organize people based on departments, roles, or specific groups working together. To create a new team, open the Team section from the sidebar and choose the option to create a new team. Add a team name, description, and choose the privacy settings. You can make a team public for everyone in your organization or private for selected members only. After creating your team, it's time to add members. Open the team settings and select the option to invite people. Enter their email addresses or choose existing workspace members. Once added, they can access team projects and collaborate on tasks. As your team grows, you may need to manage members and permissions. From the team settings, you can remove users, update access, or change who can manage the team. Keeping these settings updated helps maintain a secure and organized workspace. Teams become more useful when they have organized projects. Create projects inside your team and arrange them based on workflows, departments, or goals. For example, a marketing team can have separate projects for campaigns, content planning, and social media tasks. To update your team's information, open the Team Settings menu. Here you can change the team name, description, privacy options, and notification preferences. Reviewing these settings occasionally helps keep everything running smoothly. Finally, use Asana's collaboration features to keep your team connected. Members can comment on tasks, mention teammates, share updates, and follow project progress. Regular communication helps everyone stay aligned and reduces confusion, and that's how you manage teams in Asana. By organizing members, controlling permissions, and creating structured projects, you can build a more productive workspace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Asana tutorial.